This is the book of Matthew, chapter 24, verse 6. And ye shall hear of wars and rumors of wars. See that ye be not troubled, for all these things must come to pass, but the end is not yet. And this is Matthew 24 and 7, and it reads, For nation shall rise against nation, and kingdom against kingdom. And there shall be famines and pestilence and earthquakes in diverse places. Shalom. First and foremost, I'd like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Makar double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. I say shalom to you Akim out there. And this is a increasing wars and rumors of wars right here. This recent news article from the Jerusalem Post, published by Yonah Jeremy Bob from the Jerusalem Post as of yesterday, 10:08 a.m. And it reads, U.S. Intel Chief, Iran nukes, missiles, and drones all threaten Israel and the United States. Definitely, as the tensions are stirring up between Iran and Israel too. And it says a U.S. Director of National Intelligence, Javier Haynes, on Wednesday told the U.S. Senate Intelligence Committee that Iran threatens both Israel and the United States. And it says it says regarding Israel, she said that the Iranian threat came from missile drones and its support for Hezbollah and other proxies. In addition, Haynes said that the Islamic Republic threatened both Israel and the United States by virtue of its nuclear program and an ongoing action in the Middle East which can threaten citizens of both countries. She said that the Tehran's nuclear actions which are no longer constrained by the JCPOA 2015 Iranian nuclear deal and its new research and development activities have brought it closer to the capability of producing a nuclear device if it makes the decision to do so. So yeah, like I mentioned again, this is definitely rumors of wars are definitely heating up, and definitely between Iran and Israel. As you know, according to this U.S. Intel chief, it says, according to the report, Iran nukes and missiles and drones all threaten Israel and the United States, because Israel and the United States, they're allies with one another. And definitely the tensions between Iran and Israel is only going to heat up more and more and more, So definitely the wars and rumors of wars are heating up in the latter days. So with that, hopefully this sit-down lesson was edifying about this recent news article from the Jerusalem Post as of yesterday, 10:08 a.m. And it reads, U.S. Intel Chief, Iran nukes, missiles, and drones all threaten Israel and the United States. So with that, I would like to give all praises and glory and honor to Yahweh, Bahashem, Yahweh Shai, Bahashem, Makar double honors to the elders for preaching this word truthfully and sincerely. And shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely. And until next time, I will say shalom and shalom to the Akim, scattered through the four corners of the globe, preaching the word truthfully and sincerely as well too. And once again, I will say shalom.